WKRP in Cincinnati.
It's an unsettling thought, but several things that are part of your daily environment may be making you sick. Wallpaper, carpets, furniture, particle board, personal care products. The list goes on and on. Common materials that can cause headaches, dizziness, increased anxiety, skin irritations, even difficulty in breathing and other troublesome symptoms. Join me, Denise Cannon, as I explore environmental illness, a peril of progress. Tonight on the 9 o'clock news.
Trucking is a high-paying, fast-moving industry. Get on the road to a high-paying, fast-moving job driving the big rigs. Enroll in Trainco, Truck Driving School Tractor-Trailer Program. Trainco has trained over 2,000 drivers. They know you get practical experience only by learning behind the wheel. Financial assistance is available for Trainco's 16-week program. Learn the successful elements of the truck driving industry. Call Trainco at 939-3317. That's 939-3317.
Starbeat presents What's Happening.
Through Sunday, October 2nd, early birds on Friday. Free beer, 5 to 7 p.m. at Eric the Red. 3300 West 111, featuring their new stereo video system with 8 25-inch color monitors. At the Saints and Sinners, 1953 South Archer Willow Springs, live bands Tuesday through Saturday. Plus an early bird special Saturday, all drinks, 50 cents, 8:30 to 10:30. Scramble appears Tuesday through Sunday at Sundancers, Route 53, 1 mile north of I-55 Bolingbrook. Plus ladies, free drinks, 9 to 11 p.m. Thursdays. At Jukebox Saturday night, 5200 West 159th Oak Forest. Join the Jamaican Holiday Excursion. 7 wonderful days. Stop in now for details. This Thursday, 25-cent drinks from 9 to midnight at the Prime and Tender, 63rd and Harlem. That's Thursday's 25-cent drinks at the Prime and Tender. The Vineyard, 75th and Cass Darien presents Breverse on stage. Plus Wednesday, 50-cent drinks from 9 to 11 p.m. This is Steve Cronin. For more What's Happening information, call the Starbeat dictaphone at 948-8800.
Join Dick Clark each week for a salute to a big music headliner. You'll hear the big hits. You'll see the big stars as Dick Clark and a lineup of top entertainers honor the best. It's new this fall. Salute, hosted by Dick Clark.
Monday nights at 8 on Chicago's very own Channel 9.
London Underground, Chicago's #1 discotheque. London Underground with music you'll like and no passport needed. London Underground, where your kind of people and music are. London Underground, 3938 North Lincoln, 3939 North Damon.
Making the most of the moment, that's the way you are. We've been living life right with you, sharing good times, we've come far. We're a part of Chicago, a city filled with pride. Growing up together with a good feeling that grows from inside. Filled with pride, when you turn to us, welcome home. Welcome home. Chicago's very own Channel 9. Keeping in touch with tomorrow. Look at the lineup this fall. More movies, news, sports, and fun. See us, we got it all. When you turn to us, welcome home. Welcome home. Chicago's very own Channel 9. Chicago. We belong to Chicago. Chicago's Channel 9. Belongs to Chicago.
Returning to his corner, Marvin Hagler, middleweight champion of the world.
You hear a lot of talk about the dangers of the fight game, broken bones, bruises, and all that. But you know what I think is the most dangerous part of boxing? It's the smoke-filled arenas. That's right.
You tell them, champ.
I work out, I exercise, and I eat well. And I keep myself in tip-top condition. And of course, I don't smoke. But the minute I step into the ring, I'm breathing the poisonous smoke of thousands of cigarettes and cigars. I put myself on the line for my fans. And I'm asking you, my fans, to help me with my health and yours. by not forcing me to breathe your cigarette smoke. Knock cigarettes out of your life. Contact your American Lung Association. Healthy lungs are a matter of life and breath.
Coming Tuesday to Channel 9, Marilyn Monroe
Is this a way to Europe, France?
Marilyn Monroe and Jane Russell set sail for Paris, diamonds, and a husband.
I just love finding new places to wear diamonds. I promised they bought a trip.
And gentlemen prefer blondes.
It's then that those louses go back to the
Tuesday night at 7 on Channel 9.
girl's best friend.
Don't miss Stevens Bedding's fantastic warehouse sale this Saturday and Sunday only. 80,000 square feet of once-in-a-lifetime bargains, like famous Sealy mattresses as low as $49, and that's just the beginning. Stevens Warehouse is bulging with famous brand names like Simmons, Bassett, Serta, Thomasville, and much more. Overstocks, factory closeouts, floor samples from our 20 stores. Limited quantities, many one of a kind. Savings of 40 to 70% and more this weekend only. 2 days of incredible bargains, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. only at Stevens Warehouse, 45th and Western Avenue.
Lou Grant's on Chicago's very own Channel 9, Sunday nights at 10:30. Now that's new.
Burlington Coat Factory. What a great place for men's clothing, too. Everyone knows Burlington is the place to go for raincoats and outerwear, but their men's clothing and furnishings are terrific. They have the same name brands, the same quality as the finest stores, but Burlington's prices are lower. The newest shirts, sweaters, slacks, sport jackets, warm-up suits with the famous labels, and savings that are hard to beat. Burlington Coat Factory. It's a lot more than just coats.
In Chicago, there's only one supermarket named One Stop. One Stop. Buy the can or buy the case. Miller or Schlitz, 24 12-ounce can, $6.69. 5 cases, $33.39. Lean, meaty pork spare ribs, 5.5 pounds and up. 30-pound box, $21.99. One Stop or Vess Soda Pop, all flavors, case of 24, $3.39. 3 cases, $9.99. One Stop, 4301 South Lake Park Avenue, Chicago, open 7 a.m. Saturdays.
Your old car is worth money in the bank. Victory Auto Wreckers will buy that car no matter what its condition. Pay cash on the spot, and Victory will tow it away free. Call 860-2000 right now for a quote. If you want to fix up your car, Victory has 7 acres of used parts, all U.S. makes and many foreign models. There's starters, generators, alternators, water pumps, air conditioners, doors, bumpers, fenders, hoods to fix up the car you want to repair. Have Victory install a guaranteed used engine for as little as $5.95. Or install a guaranteed used transmission for $200. Used or reconditioned radiators are available. Victory has low prices on used parts. Bring them a bona fide quote and they'll match it or beat it. Victory Auto Wreckers, Bensonville, on Green Street, a half-mile south of Irving Park, 7 blocks east of York Road. Victory Auto. They'll buy your junk car or sell you the used parts to fix it at a low price. Victory Auto, 860-2000, 860-2000.
Learning to drive a tractor-trailer, handling a big rig is serious business. That's why at the all-new Chauffeurs Training School, you get a quality education. Everything you need to know to qualify as a driver, a good driver. You'll find expert instructors from the classroom to all types of backing and docking, right through to actual on-the-road driving. You can even keep your present job while you learn. Call Chauffeurs Training School for a free brochure. Remember, learning to drive is serious business. Do it right.
Thinking about decorating with wallpaper? Think again. Mirrors create illusions.
Abracadabra!
You're not looking at an indoor pool. You're not looking at a beautiful landscape. You are looking at creative mirror.
No need for magicians. The magic of mirrors is my dad's business. In this house, creative mirrors a finishing touch. But mirrors are beautiful, even when they reflect only you.
I think everybody should be like me. When you get in the car, put the seatbelt on, start the motor, and punch that radio dial for WCFL.
AM 1000.
Don't
Gold Coast Imports sets the pace for extra Honda savings. At Gold Coast Imports, Hondas cost less than ever before. We'll meet or beat any price on any new Honda. Choose from our big selection of Civics and Accords, 5 speeds and automatics, all ready for immediate delivery. Buy your new Honda at Gold Coast Imports. We make them simple to buy and easy to own. Gold Coast Imports. Convenient loop service, too. 1525 North Wells Street in Chicago.
This is the most common screwdriver used in America today. Come on, admit it. You've done this, haven't you? Oh, we don't blame you. A regular screwdriver can bring tears to your eyes. But now there's Power Driver, a breakthrough in screwdriver design. Power Driver fits right on your drill. Slip in a screw and it locks in place. The screw can't fall out. Power it in fast and straight without cutting up the surface or yourself. It comes with interchangeable heads and a depth dial built right in. Set it on number 1 and it leaves the screw raised. Use number 4, the screw stops flush. Number 7, countersinks automatically. There are 8 different settings you can dial. Use it with tiny screws like these or this monster that would twist your wrist off the old way. Power Driver just powers it in. Even solid oak is a cinch for Power Driver. In Formica, it socks up without scratching up the surface. In masonry block, it's sensational. No plug needed, no pilot holds a drill. Work above your head without breaking your back. No matter what the angle, it's the fastest, easiest way to drive in a screw. And comes with our incredible 10-year guarantee, plus this bonus, a complete 7-piece nut driver set. Great for swings, bikes, toys, and cars. There's also Nail Driver, a brilliant tool idea. Drop a nail in here and drive it home with a simple push. Nail Driver works in corners where your hammer can't reach. Now fix paneling without pounding your thumb. You get all these tools for just $19.99. For COD and credit card orders, call 1-800-453-1903. Save the COD charges by sending $19.99 plus $3 shipping and handling to Power Driver, Box 59072, Chicago. Order now.
I'm Ed McMahon. If you or someone you love is age 55 to 87, I urge you to let us know who you are. If you do, you'll receive free information about a life insurance policy designed especially for men and women age 55 to 87. Life insurance with no physical examination and no medical questions. You cannot be turned down regardless of your health or for any reason. And your premium will be $6.95 a month and will never increase. Colonial Penn Life Insurance Company wants to send you this free information. So if you are age 55 to 87 and thought it would be difficult to buy life insurance, shouldn't you call now? Here's the number.
This offer ends soon, so call now, 800-321-5200. This is a free call, 800-321-5200.